Hi guys, wow, can you believe how amazing this beach is? Huh? You think that we're in, wow, what can I say, tropical paradise. And yep, we rode our bikes again, back to the beach on a beautiful sunny day. Woohoo! Look at that, look at that. There's Kim. Wow, awesome. So there's only 3 people at the beach today and it's 27 Celsius. Yeah, and again, it's the same reason why no one's here or no one's swimming. It's because the water temperature is too cold for them. And guess what? It's still summer. Officially, we have another week of summer. So there it is. There's Kim doing her beach exercises behind me. Oh man, magic, magic. Hey guys, it's the next day and we're at a different beach. So spoiled here for choices. So as you can see, it's just one guy there with his wife and Kim and George. So perfect conditions again today. Blue skies, 34 Celsius, end of summer, final week, and almost entirely empty. Love it. Hi guys. Kim's setting up and I'm getting ready to plunge in. As I said, today's in the low to mid 30s Celsius and wow, just perfect conditions. Check it out. Wow. Perfect for water sports. Today on the news they showed New South Wales, Sydney, Northern Rivers were getting smashed by 80 to 100 millimeters of rain. And southeast Queensland too, around 200 mils around Gympie. Wow. See guys, you just don't know. As they're flooded up there and drowning in rainfall, which is great for the garden, but most people don't care about that sort of thing. They're too busy living their life. Meanwhile, here in Victoria, everyone should be, but not. They're not at the beach on a day like this. So it's fabulous. Kim's coming in now. She set up our chairs. There she is. Hey Kim! Yeah. There she is. Come-y, come-y. Beautiful. Give us a nice dive, Kim.
I don't know if I'm going to go in the water yet.
What? I think that sandbar's too far. She loves going out to the sandbars, all the way out there. Just like where there's a couple of other people out there. And she's in. Oh yeah. Now it's my turn. Oh. That was refreshing. Okay guys, see you all from the next video. Bye bye now.